Hey everybody, so as you can see that the last video I saw that the price was out there with uh $374, and now prices already very fluctuated right here, and then it comes up to the same price, looks like the last video. So, but we are still waiting the price that Tesla share must come up to here in the three that's $357. This one share, uh the the price target is here, that where we can try to buy a new Tesla share, and we'll try to hold up to the high level with 4% to go up, and then we're gonna sell it again like this. So the price is gonna come down to the level with $357, dollars, and then it will might be go down a little bit, maybe a little bit, but after a little bit of time, after pause, it's going to get back to the same point of here in 375. So where we can easily we can easily and actually we will try to sell our Tesla share again. We're gonna buy here at the level of 357, and we're gonna sell it in the level of 375. So that's it. It's going to be, the drone must be like this, and we'll see. Maybe it's really going to work, but it's going to really work. Why? Because the past results already taught us the everything that's possible with this. Yeah, this is the past that I uh, showed you all in the last video. So, alright, we're gonna wait it. Yeah, have to wait. This price is going to go down and go up. By the way, as I already tell you that there are some perfectist news are here that which they really try to tell us that the price is going to go down or go up. So as you can see that 9 hours ago, Dow Jones news wires expired. Okay, you know read it. What's going on here? Elon Musk testifies of AI risk at trial. Okay, it says OpenAI tried to steal a charity. Okay, by Angela Wei. Okay. Oh, this is Tesla for today's. Yeah, only the one day it's almost going the half percent. This is perfect, but we need it must go down with 4%, exactly 4%, and we'll understand that it's time to trade with Tesla stock. Okay, anyway, what's going on here? Elon Musk took the second Tuesday in a landmark trial that pits the billionaire against OpenAI, which he helped found and case that shape the future of artificial intelligence. Okay, I think they're gonna try to make this lawsuit very complicated, but it's actually very simple. Musk said as soon as he took the stand staring directly at the jurors, it's not okay to steal a charity. Yeah, he invoked a cause greater than himself, stating that if he were to lose this case, the country could risk losing every charity in America. Oh, the okay. Maybe this is because the price, the share started to go down a little bit. So, all right, got it. What about the next one? The government is meddling in the earning reporting, but Tesla, Amazon, and other markets superstores proves there's no problem. Right? So, oh yeah, here's the one. Amazon, Tesla. This is, oh Well, this is very beautiful. I was uh, trying to understand that what if we will try to invest Amazon.com, how the price is going to move, and daily changes. So I think there are a lot of options here, but we have to focus on one thing and we have to complete it. Just making more money with it, not entering or doing a lot of things in a single time. Okay, anyway, uh, the one thing, the rule is that if you understand the of if you understand the thing that you are investing, so that's enough. That's it. So just don't focus on the other things. What if I invest this? What if I invest that? So it just waste of time. Not fully, but you have to research it. You have to learn it. You have to learn everything about the stock share, for example. So if you have time, you can learn and understand the price movement and uses with it and try to invest it. Mm, yeah, that's perfect. So okay, what's that saying by Mark Hulbert? Or okay, right? Investors are trapped in short-term thinking, but the SEC still wants semi-annual earnings reporting. Okay. Investors are often willing to give companies years to reach their potential. Investors appear more than willing to give companies many years in which to become profitable. All right. What is that saying here? U.S. securities regulators are proposing to end quarterly earnings reporting in favor of semi-annual reports. The primary reason given for the change is that the quarterly reporting encourages companies to engage in short termism. What is that? Managing operations to meet Wall Street short term goals rather than invest in long term growth. But there is surprisingly little evidence that corporate America is suffering from that terms. All right. All right. So this is the problem. There is surprisingly little evidence that the corporate America is suffering from short termism. That's so weird. Weird enough. I don't know why. America is suffering from short termism. Okay, anyway. Okay, it also has a great influence. Maybe not great, but however, just a little bit. It has got its own influence in the market. On the contrary, investors appear more than willing to give companies many years to become profitable. Tesla, which went public in 2010, is a good example. The company finally reduced an annual profit 10 years later. Yet from IPO until the end of 2019, the last calendar year in which it's reported a loss, Tesla shares delivered a cumulative total return of 1,000. Is this 1,000? And now is yeah, it's that 1,000. 651%, according to LSCG. Okay. Oh, what Amazon? Amazon, what is he doing here? What is that doing here? Amazon is another example. It took 6 calendar years after its IPO to report an annual profit from IPO through the end of the last calendar year, in which it reports the loss. The stock produced a cumulative gain of 165. All right, so there's a little going down momentums around. So all of them are came. These two news are expired in 9 hours ago. That's the way perfect. So okay, Tesla stocks in stuck in neutral. Good news from isn't helping barons. Uh, Good news from NHTSA isn't helping. Is that a good news? Tesla FSD won't sell itself without major marketing. Push fund manager says, "Oh, here is the key point. We need this. We need this." Tesla said earlier this month that it continues to see improved FSD adoption with about 1.3 million paid customers globally. This is FSD. Uh, this is what is that? FSD. FSD stock. Well, FSD. Firm Capital Property Trust. Is this the one? It's a Canadian trading around. Canadian, okay, it's lit. Is this a trust? It's a Canadian. Get top topics. نظر غيري. Fully convertible debenture. Maybe this is the one. In the share market, the hybrid feature makes FCDs an attractive investment option that combines the benefit of fixed income and potential capital appreciation. All right. Thank you. So it's that saying that Tesla does not engage in traditional advertising, relying on word of mouth and its several affiliated access accounts to disseminate information and promote its products. All right, I got it. We got that, and we're just gonna wait. The target is really going to come up here. We'll see, but all the news looks like the more was against of the market, and Tesla share is not holding it as their own uh, decisions, but Tesla stock has also Tesla's companies has also their own sold their own decisions. So we're gonna wait the target and we'll understand the try to movement of this price Tesla share. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.